the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes, and we're cooking with Carolina Cooker. Today we're doing a nice comfort style dish. It's a wild turkey pot pie. We're doing this in the 12-inch deep skillet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with heating up our oil. We're gonna go ahead and add in the turkey. Make sure you get a good coating of the oil on all pieces of the bird. All right, while that's searing, you wanna hit it with a little salt and pepper. So that's gonna continue to cook and kind of continue to sear. So we can go ahead and just add in our onions. We're gonna go ahead and add in our carrots. We're gonna go ahead and add in the celery as well. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start to build our roux. We're gonna add in some butter, and this also gives it a richer flavor, okay? And we're gonna let that butter melt down, and this is gonna add to the creaminess of the sauce. All right, so our butter's melted. We're gonna go ahead and add in our flour, and while that's working, you can also add your herbs if you would like. Lastly, you wanna add in your garlic. Garlic cooks really quick, so you just wanna put this in. So everything is added in. Now we're gonna take our chicken stock. See how that's kind of coming together there? We're gonna hit it with just a little more salt and pepper at this point, and we're gonna add in our cream, and we're gonna add in our milk. The last thing you wanna put in is your peas. So really all you're gonna do is just set it right here on top, and then we're gonna take the edges and kind of fold in any overhang. Now it's time to put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Nice crust on the top, nice and creamy on the inside, just the way it should be. Smells amazing too, I wish y'all could smell it. One of the best parts about a successful harvest is not harvesting the animal itself, it's actually being able to bring it home and make something like this and share it with your family and friends.